Good morning, everyone. My name is Raphael Arowo Shafe. So in this video, we are going to be looking at ICT, IGCSE and ICT 0417, May-June 2025, paper 2-1, that is variant 2. We are going to be looking at the database aspect of this paper. Now let's go there. So let me scroll so that you can even see, that is task 3, that is database. So that is what we are going to look at in this video. Now, you are now going to prepare a report. Dates must be imported in the format. This is the format that we were given, DMY. Make sure that all the required data is fully visible. So now step 15, use database software to import this. So let's quickly import this, then we'll quickly set data type. Now let's go to the work area. I believe that you have already opened your work area. So now through your work area, you can easily, open your database. So let's just right click, then go to new, then you'll be able to see Microsoft Access. This is a database. So please don't mention Microsoft Access because it's, it's a brand name. So please always call it this database. No, just click on it. Then it will appear in your work area. Just carefully open it. So now we are ready to import the first table. Go to external data source, or external data. Once you click on this one, then you will see external data source here, or new data source here. But in my database, I will go straight to test file. But if your system is showing new data source, you just click on that. You go to you go to from file, then you will see test file. So from my own, I can easily see test file. Just click on this one. Please, you are importing through test file. So click on this one. It takes you to this place. Then you click on browse. Then from there, you will navigate to your work area. So your work area is on desktop. So this is my work area, May-June 2025, paper 2. Then I open it. Then I can easily see the table I'm going to import, which is learner's file. Then I select. Then I click open. Then from there, it takes you back to this place. Then you click OK. Now, click next. Then from there, please always activating this place. This is first row contains field names, because if you did not activate it, all these field names will be showing a default name like field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4. So if this place is very, very important, make sure you activate it. After you have activated it, then you can now click on advanced. Click on advanced, then you will begin to set your data, the date order. You know it has been given in the question that you should choose the right format for the date, which is DMY. It's very, very important. Then your data type. Data type, learner's number is long integer. Now looking at the question, you can see that all these ones, they are all tests. You can set them to short tests. All this one, short test. Then this one, set it to yes or no. Set it to yes or no. Then this one, set it to integer. So then remember that this learner number may be long. So you can set it to what? Or leave it as a long integer. Then, so provided there's an integer there. So take note of that. Now let's go to our database. Then I will leave this one as this learner number, and I will leave it as long integer. Then I will change this telephone to short test. Change it to short test. Then from there, I will change the online application to yes or no according to the examiner. Then I click OK, because I've already set all my data type, including the date order. So I'll click OK, click next. So you don't have anything doing here. Click next. Then you can choose, you will now choose your primary key here according to the question. It says set learner number as primary key. So let's go there. Let's go there. So you click on this one, choose your primary key, that is learner's number. Then from there, click next. Then you click finish. Then it takes you to this place. Please don't activate this one. Just click close. So now the first table has been imported. So what you will do is for you to what is it called? Is for you to open your open your table. Then from there you set the data type. You can see now. Let's quickly go and do the display, which is the format. There's our learner's number. So we come to this place. Then you go to home. You click on view, then design view. So from there you click on this learner's number from the data type. Then you can see now it's showing. But if you change this one to integer, that's what the examiner asks us to do. But there's tendency that it may be giving error because that particular field consists of long number. So just leave it as that. Leave it as that long integer. Then the online application, then change the format to yes or no. In case if you have changed it to yes or no and that yes or no is not showing, you just go to lookup and make sure that in your lookup the display control is showing text box. If it's showing checkbox, it means that your yes or no may not be showing. If you even put it to combo box, there's tendency that yes or no would not be showing, but make sure it's always on a text box. So take note of that. So now let me check whether we've set everything. Then date of birth. The date of birth is DDMMMYY. That is the format that is given. So let's quickly do that. Date of birth, DOB. Let's change it to medium date. Yeah, that is the correct format. Then now let's save. You right click, you save. Then you right click, you close. Then let's open it now. You can see that it's showing. Online application is showing. Everything is fine. Now let's save and let's close. Now let's move on to the next question or the next step. So now, before we do that, we need to take the screenshot, the evidence. So let's do that. You open your learners table again. You go to home, then view, design view. So make sure that this primary key is showing. The first thing we are going to do is take the screenshot for where you have set your learner's number to be integer. Then you take the screenshot like this. Then you copy. You go to your work area. I believe you have opened your evidence document before now. I believe that you have opened your evidence document before now. So now your evidence document might have been set. As you might have worked, you might have set it in the correct order. So that is what is it called? You might have worked on this evidence document. So now what we are going to do now, that is step 15. So just paste your evidence document here. Then you can as well take it to DOB. Let them see the evidence that you have set the date of birth. So this is it. You can take like 2 evidence documents here. You can take like 2 here. Then you paste again. Then this tune is okay. So now let's go. Then you right click, you save, you right click, then you close. Then now let's go to the next step. That is step 16. Import the file access as a new table in your database. Set all the data type to test. Set AA underscore as primary key. Then place take your screenshot and let's go there right away. It's very simple. You go to external data, then new data source, from file, then test file. So you click on this. Now you click on browse. Now this is your work area. Then what type of file? Okay, we are importing assets. So you select you select, then from there you click on open, then you click OK. So now next, always activating this is very, very important. Then you click advanced to set data type, DMY, don't forget the date order. Now let's look at this says showing the field name. Okay, now they says set all data type to short text, or to text rather. So everything is set to short text, which is fine. You click OK, then next, then from there next, then the primary key is AA underscore code. Let me confirm that AA underscore code is correct. Next, then you click finish, then you click close. Now you can see that here there's nothing like maybe show the display or the format, but we just want to take the screenshot of the evidence that we have what we have set all the data type to be the short text. You go to open. Okay, you first of all open the table, home, view, design view. Then this is the evidence that you have even choose this one to be the primary key. So you take your screenshot, then you use your copy, then you paste it to step 16. So then the next one we are going to do now, so you save, then you close. Then now let's move to the next question. Step 17, examine the what is it called, class, and identify the most appropriate data to use as primary key. So let's quickly go and examine that file, which is class. Let's open it, class. So this is the file that we are going to import. So this is the file. This is the file. Now they ask us to examine it and choose. You can see that class ref is the most appropriate field that can be used as a primary key because it's unique. So now you have to close it completely. Don't save. Then from there, now let's start importing. This one is number, then you display it as integer, the rest is short text. So let's quickly go there. It's very simple. So you go to external data source or external data, new data source from text file, click on that, browse, takes you to your work area, then you click class. I think it's class we are importing this time around. Yes, class. Then you click open, then OK, then next. Always activate this. First row contains first name. Then you click on advanced. Click on advanced. You set your date order, DMY. Then the text file now, I mean the data type. So this one is number. Let's set this one to integer. Then everything is short text now, apart from year group. Now you click OK. Next. You set your primary key. The primary key that we have picked, which is class ref. So then next, you click finish. Then from there you click close. So now let's go and set the data type according to the question. So only this one, integer. So let's go there, class, then you go to home, view, design view. So this first one now, let's set to integer. It's already there. So now let's take the screenshot right away without wasting time. Okay. Now you go to your evidence document, you put it under step 17. Now let's go there. So we have done this, we have done this, we have done this. Now let's move to step 18 now. So you right click, you save, you right click, you close. Step 18, that is where we are going to create relationship. I believe you know what's called relationship. That is how to link all the three tables together. A is underscore code field in the access table, and AA underscore code field in the learners table. So access code and learners table. That is what we are going to link together using this primary key. Now this primary key is now serving as a what? As a foreign key this time around. So we are going to link the two together. So now let's go there. So you click on database tools, then you will see relationships. So make sure you select all the three tables. You use your control key, you press it and hold it, then use your mouse to select all the three, then you click on add. So now we've added all the three. So make sure you make all the field visible. Everything should be visible. So we are going to work on access table and learners table. So I can quickly click on this place, hold and drag to the other side so that I can arrange it. I can easily link these two together. So what we are going to do now, we are going to use AA underscore code in the access table. So let's go there. This is access table. You click on AA underscore code in access table. Click, hold and drag. By the time I'm dragging it now, you can see that my cursor has changed. Then go to learners table, go and drop it on AA underscore code. So that is how to create relationship. That is how to create relationship. So then you drop it on it, carefully drop it on it. You can see now we are creating one-to-many relationship according to the examiner, one-to-many relationship. So this one has been created. Then you click create. So you can see now we have already linked the two tables together. Now let's quickly go there. The second one, primary key, that is ref, class ref that we choose. Then we are going to, in a class table, so we are going to use it to link the learners table using what? Class code. So let's go there. That's class. So this one now, you click class code. Yeah, let me check. Class code in learners table. Okay. Click, hold and drag. Go and drop it on class code in learners table. So you can see it now. One-to-many, then you click create. So you have successfully created your relationship. Now let's quickly go and take the evidence now. So we're going to take the evidence of the relationship that we have created. So now, excuse me. So you are not taking the screenshot like this. So you have to come to this place, just click on it, then you double click. So you click on this place and take it side by side. Then you use your light shot to take your screenshot like this. Then you click copy, you go to your evidence document at step 18, then you paste, then you go there again. So you can click OK for this one. Then you go to the second one, you click, then you double click on it, you do same. It's very simple. Then you click copy, then from there you paste it again in your evidence document. So that is the evidence that you have successfully created your relationship. So now let's go there. Then you click OK. Then you right click on it, you save, you right click, you close. Then let's move to the next question. We are done with this one. Now step 19, add the following as a new record in the learners table. So let's go there. You open your learners table. So you scroll down to the last record. Now you can see that this one consists of what? That is one of 491. So you go just quickly click on this place. Once you carefully click on this place, you can see now it means that you are ready to create a new record. In fact, a new record has been created, 491 now. So you carefully come to this place. You are going to type it, the day of your exam. You are going to type it. So, but I will be copying it now. I have the opportunity to be copying it. So be doing it one by one. Make sure is 100% accuracy. There's 100% accuracy. Then Emma, okay, Emma. E, then MMA. Then this one is what? This one is a female. Please type it the way you see it in the question. Where there's capital letter, type capital letter. There's a small letter, which is small lowercase, type it. Then this one now is number. That's learner's number. Please don't forget, where there is O, don't type it as 0. 0 is different from O. So please take note of this. Please, 100% accuracy is required here. 100% accuracy is required. So that's how you'll be doing it. It's very simple. That's how you'll be doing it. So this one is email, EM underscore Norris, Norris, Norris at Tawara, Norris at Tawara, Tawara.ac, Tawara.ac. Then this one is for R, for capital letter R. So this one is AA02, AA02. Then no is already there. You can see that that no is already there. So then you right click, you save. So you can see now, you can see that had the following as a new record in the learners table. So we have successfully added the new record. So it means that we are done with this one. So this is where we are going to stop for this video. So we will continue this step 20 in part 2 of the video. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that immediately I drop a new video, you can be notified. Thank you so much.